Hello, this is Liquid Ocelot and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clear cache memory, delete cache memory for your Microsoft Store in Windows 10. This will boost your Windows 10 experience and speeden things up, my friends. So first step is just close out all the programs that are the apps running in from Microsoft Store. Then go to search, go to run, and here you just write down wsreset.exe and press OK, my friends. So now, as you can see, the store icon has come up, system32 wsreset.exe, and it's doing its thing, my friends. It's resetting and removing all the cache memory from your Microsoft Store, hence boosting your system. And this process will be completed soon, my friends. We will see a notification. It may take a lot of time, my friends. And remember, this procedure will not log you out from your Microsoft Store in Windows 10. So guys, this is the process. This will reset and clear all the cache from your Microsoft Store. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'll be signing off. Take care.